see is what happens first. Can you guys all see okay? Okay. The other way that you can do this, yeah, Alex? What? Where's the copper going? So it's burning. That's a good question. And then it's in the air. It's in the air. So, but it's a good question. Is it still copper? It's the electrons. I'm gonna have to look. But it's not.
Can you make it green again?
Yes. And I'm gonna show you another way to do it. Copper is not always the easiest. There are two ways to do a flame test. One is to put the liquid directly in the flame. The other way to do it is to turn it into a gas. Remember how vapors are flammable? So you can turn it into a gas and then burn it once it's in the gas form. So if I want to do that, I need to heat this up so it turns into a gas. So I'm going to do that I'm going to hold this right here. So the liquid's right here. There's a hole in the bottom of the Bunsen that sucks air in.
Lit.
I'm going to get my loop really, really hot. So hot that it's going to turn some of this liquid into a gas. And then I'm going to try and get that gas to suck up the tube. Copper doesn't work great, but you can see it a little. Did you see it turn green for a flash? So some of them work better when you put it directly in, and some of them work better when you when you turn it into a gas and burn it.
What would happen if you pour it?
If you pour it on it, not too much happens. Like we actually tried it. Sometimes I've seen on YouTube when people mix it in like a fine mist, like in a spray bottle. But it's hard to get it to work like that. All right, well here I'll do a different one.
What happens if you put the loop in?
If you put it's just hottest right here.
Whoa!
So this is lithium. This is what makes your cherry red fireworks. So, but I can do the same thing.
It's like hot Cheetos.
Whoa!
Wait, so you're saying if we put copper gas in like a fireplace and then we lighted it?
Well, you know those Duraflame logs that sometimes burn colored, like sometimes you can burn them in colors. That they put metal salt like this, but they pour it on there so that when it burns, it'll turn a little bit of color.
That's what they use it for.
Yeah.
Very boring.
Copper. Let me see what other one I have.
Dobby, you're free. What other colors?
All right, this is potassium.
Dobby is so white.
It's kind of this is the closest to like purple that naturally exists. It's like a lavender.
What's white?
It's like kind of.
It's like tinted purple, but it's pretty white.
Orange.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I can see the purple.
Yeah, I can kind of see it.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
It's like a
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Purple's like
So you can try it at different
Oh yeah.
places.
I'm guessing that it's hot enough that temperature liquid is cooler.
Yeah. Let's see what else I have here. This one is sodium, like sodium chloride. All right, we have like 1 more minute. Well, this is the metal part of the sodium. This one is pretty bright orange.
Yo, that's cool.
You can see it.
And now it heats back up.
What did you just say to me, boy? How did you get to my belt? I will. Takes belt color.
You can't really, each salt turns one color. So
It's
if you
lit in
wanna get
science.
color